To program an LC3 transmitter to the system, you must first place the transmitter in pair mode. To accomplish this, press and hold the function button for approximately 10 seconds until the transmitter displays setup. Then you can scroll through using the auxiliary button through the different setup functions until the transmitter says pair. Once the transmitter displays pair, push the function button and you've successfully paired the remote. Now you can proceed with programming. The first step to programming is make sure a door to the vehicle is open. Turn the ignition on. Press and release, and then press and hold the valet switch. You will get a confirmation chirp. Then press the lock button on the transmitter. You'll get another confirmation chirp that the transmitter has been accepted into the system, and you can now turn the ignition off and proceed to test the system.